In this video tutorial, we're going to walk you through how you can add links to your YouTube channel, whether it's for social media, a website that you might own, or anything else. If you do find this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for even more tutorials like this. It really does help out the channel. But first things first, go ahead and tap on your profile icon in the top right once you do get on YouTube. And if needed, go ahead and use the switch account option to choose the correct YouTube channel. After doing so, go ahead and hit YouTube Studio. And then on this left-hand menu section, you're going to see an option that says customization. Go ahead and select that and then scroll down in this profile section until you see the links option. From here, you simply just have to hit add link, add whatever title you might have for that link, and then simply go ahead and paste that link within here. Now you can add quite a bit of links to this page, and all of them will be visible from your channel section. Whenever you're ready though, simply go ahead and just make sure that you hit publish up in the top right. And to actually view those links, just go to view channel up in the top right as well. And as you can see, those links will be available in not only your description, but also your main channel page. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more tutorials just like this. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.